Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear data on the application of Pinterest. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Pinterest and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on the first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watch.